Hi friends, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a review of my Bao Bao Issey Miyake bag. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, then just keep watching. So I recently picked up the Bao Bao Issey Miyake. This is the ensemble multi-crossbody bag. And I absolutely fell in love with it. Thought I would share it with you and see if you're also as in love with it as I am. I did pick mine up from Nordstrom a couple months ago now, and I just love it. It's so beautiful. It's so different, and it's somewhat affordable for a designer brand. And this is $790. It's one of those everyday bags, and I just love the uniqueness. I don't see a lot of people carrying it, but I know it has grown so much recently in popularity. A lot of people love this brand. And it is just stunning, you guys. It's so different, but gorgeous. And this multicolor, I'm here for it. It is so pretty. Talk about goes with everything. So let's start with the dimensions of this little cutie. It is 4.5 inches in the height of this bag. It is 6.7 inches in the width of the bag, so good sized bag. And it is 2.4 inches in the depth of this bag. I will say this is the perfect size crossbody. It fits all the things, and it really is just a really nice size to carry. It weighs next to nothing. It really is just what you're carrying with you that's going to weigh you down. It is just so lovely. So it does have a smooth as butter zipper, and it also has this gorgeous kind of embossed Bao Bao Issey Miyake there. And smooth zipper. The interior of the bag has a nice card holder there, and it also says Bao Bao inside. And then the inside, you'll see that it's just one dark compartment. All the room for all the things. So upon first glance, I did not think that this was going to be an adjustable strap, but upon further investigation, I realized that you could actually adjust the bag from the inside. So you can adjust the strap for a shoulder bag or a crossbody bag. So it is so ideal. I love that. Stunning bag is made in Japan. It is definitely a everyday bag for me anyway. It is also known to be super easy to clean. You can easily spot clean these beautiful soft tiles, and it is just the most unique, innovative bag I've seen in a very long time. It fits so much. So first I'm just going to show that I usually carry a card holder for this one. And the side pocket, that is such a good little deep side pocket here, fits the entire card holder. So you know it's a pretty good size pocket right there, which I love. All right, so next I'm going to carry my hand sanitizer because yes, it's that time of year, colds, flus, all the things. So taking that with me. I'm also going to take my phone charger because you just never know. I also am going to take my hand lotion because my skin this time of year is so dry and uncomfortable. If you have any suggestions, let me know. I also like a nice mouthwash spray just to freshen up throughout my day. And then I also have the Dior Lip Glow, shade 15 Cherry, and it really does just add a pop of color. A perfume with me. This is the YSL one. It is so good. Speaking of YSL, I also have a mini. I ended up getting this in the Lip Pout Favorites kit, and I love it. Chanel mirror. I love this. It's a little bit extra, but you know what? Sometimes it's the little things. Sometimes you just want a little bit of luxury in your day. So there we have that. I also carry lens wipes for my sunglasses, and I also always take wet ones with me, especially if I'm going to go shopping, go to Target. I like to wipe down my cart. And so, as you can see, it fits all the things, and there's still plenty of room. It's a good size bag. It really is pretty. I love just how it can mold to whatever you put in it, in my opinion. Bag. It's so pretty. So there you go, guys. It fits all the things and some. Let me show you what this looks like on. And this fits so beautifully. It's the cutest little crossbody. It also looks really cute as just a shoulder bag. It is beautiful. So I hope you guys enjoyed the stunning bag, Bao Bao, Issey Miyake. If you did, don't forget to like, and I'd love it so much if you'd subscribe so I can see you in my next video. And until next time, bye guys.